Hello and welcome back everyone to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your card with Barclays. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and now in the address bar simply type in barclaycard.co.uk and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Barclays card. Now once you're in the home page, you can click on the login button at the top right corner and this will take you into the login portal. Now all you need to do is type in your credentials and log into your account and you will be able to activate your card. You can choose your username or your ID number, or you can simply click on login using your 16-digit card number instead. If you click on this, you will be asked to enter your card number. So simply type in your 16-digit card number in the given space and then you can click on the next button. After doing so, you might be asked to enter your username and your password. So enter both of those and click on the login button, and as soon as you log into your account, you will find the activate card button. You can click on this and your card will be activated. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your card with Barclays. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.